Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can generate Whop affiliate links. So let's jump right in. To generate Whop affiliate links, start by opening the Affiliate Links app from your dashboard. Initially, the page will appear empty. Click the Create Link button in the top right corner to open a pop-up where you can set up your link. You can also click the settings icon next to it to edit the app's title and description. In the pop-up, you'll be asked to enter a few details: the main URL you want to promote, a short and clear title, and a description explaining what the link is about. You also have the option to enable location gating, which restricts access to the link by region, and upload a square thumbnail image, ideally under 10 MB. After filling out the necessary fields, click the Create button to finalize your affiliate link. Once created, your link will appear in the list, and you'll see three actions: copy, edit, and remove. Clicking the copy icon copies the link to your clipboard, the edit button allows you to make changes, and the remove option deletes the link.